Hey there guys, I'm back again. And today we are going to unbox this new goodie box. It arrived, actually it's not new, I'm sorry, I'm lying. This goodie box is the September goodie box that I promised you guys I would record. But unfortunately, I didn't have the box, like I explained. I had to pay 5 extra euros to ship it over again because it was already shipped. Anyway, long story short, the September box is here. I know it's old. I know y'all probably seen it. But I'm still going to unbox it because a promise is a promise. But before I start unboxing this pretty little thing, I want to remind you guys to enter my giveaway. We're very close to reaching 600 subscribers. As soon as I reach 600 subscribers, I'm going to give away that satchel. And it is just filled with stuff. I put in like extra stuff. And I really desperately want to start the new giveaway, especially now that the holidays are coming. I can't wait. I really hope you guys will enjoy that giveaway because I have something so freaking special planned. So make sure to check out my giveaway. Now let's get started with the goodie box. Okay, so let's open this sucker up. The when in doubt, dance it out box. I won't be sorry for shaking my booty to heal when I'm moody. Well, that's true. But I will say, I don't think this has a leaflet. I think it was still like in the middle of the crisis, you know, when there were no leaflets and you name it. Anyway, this is the inside of the box. Okay, so before I start using these items, I actually did not explain why we are doing this video this way and not with my face. I actually had a eye lift done. It was a plasma lift. It was not like surgically, but with plasma, they kind of burn your skin on your eyelid, and then eventually, you know, your eyelid heals and you have more eyelid space. It's basically what it's like. However, I look like freaking Frankenstein right now. I could hardly open my eyes this week, so that is the reason I'm doing it like this. I'm sorry, but my face is so not camera ready. But I still wanted to unbox this box, and it's gonna take a couple of weeks for my skin to heal. So probably this entire month, you guys are gonna be seeing the boxes like this. Sorry, not sorry, but it really has to heal, and I look horrible. Okay, so that is the reason why we're filming this way. Okay, first item in the box is Seraphine Botanicals Sugar and Lemon Moisturizing Lip Scrub. Okay, a lip scrub is always welcome. It is sealed. Can I get it out of the seal? Where is the, oh, it's right over here. Okay. So, of course, we're going to check it out. Unfortunately, I don't know the prices of these items because there is no leaflet, no booklet. So, if you really want to know the price of the item, look it up online. Ooh, it's very pretty. Oh, see, this is what it looks like. The Sugar Plus Lemon Moisturizing Lip Scrub. Now, I'm going to open it and see what it looks like because clearly it's a scrub. Oh, it's sealed. You know what? I'm going to leave it sealed just because I already have a lot of lip scrubs. I really enjoy the packaging of this in this little container. This is actually great for travel purposes. It's very safe, you know, to take with you because it can't get crushed. That is amazing. I really enjoyed this sucker, and let's place it over here. Now, like I said, I don't know the prices of these items. So let's move on to Figs and Rouge, the Satin Soft Blurring Primer Plus Finishing Fix. It's the Ultra Prime, and I believe oh, hey, you can see my face. Hi there. See, it's so freaking red up here. Let's just not look at that. Anyway, I think we already received this fella, like the big one. I could be wrong. I'm not really sure, but I think we did, and I did not like it. I have to check out if I can use this or not because I have dehydrated skin, and it says blurring primer, so I don't know. I don't know about this fella. I don't know what it costs. I don't think it's a full size. It's 30 milliliters, so it's probably not going to be a full size. I have to check this fella out. Okay, and moving on to something from a Mutton Masky specialized series. Oh, really? The Blue Light Protection Mask. Wow. Helps shield harmful high energy visible like HEV blue light from a laptop or tablet, smartphone, television, LED light, and computer screen. And this is a mask. This is freaking awesome. I'm not really sure if this is actually going to help or not, or if this is just some sort of marketing trick. But of course, I'm very excited to give this sucker a try. I don't know the cost, but clearly a full size because it's rather big. So I'm pretty sure it's going to be a full size. I'm going to place it over here. And yeah, I'm going to check this out. I really enjoy masks, as y'all know. Okay, so from Malore and Russell, if I'm pronouncing that right. It says over here, but I'm not really sure if I'm pronouncing that right. We value your beauty. Simply Essentials Hydrating Care. Suitable for dry hair. It's a hair mask. It's infused with pure monide something oil and vitamin E. Your hair will glow again. Okay, it sounds pretty decent and pretty neat, and it's a very decent size. It's big. It's like, I think it's around 100 milliliters. Oh, 75 milliliters. Okay, so I was close. Really enjoy the size of this, just particularly for, you know, my hair's long. So I'm gonna need something really big and really nice for my hair. So far, so good. I really enjoyed this box, honestly. Let's move on to The Cure. For your eyes, revitalizing eye repair. And I remember, like, the Cure stuff is so redonkulously expensive. Like, I remember that from previous boxes. So I am extremely excited to give this sucker a try. Don't know the price. We'll have to look it up online, but I know it's going to be quite expensive. Okay, so we're down to the last item, and the box is empty, which is Oslo Skin Lab, the solution, anti-wrinkle collagen, 5-stick packs. What is this? We believe taking care of skin begins from within. Oh, minus 60% from us to you, so it's probably going to be a coupon in here. Yep, I think there's going to be... What the hell is that? Okay, it says 60% off of your first, like, package. Okay, over here if you want to use the code. So you go to osloskinlab.nl and use the code Goodiebox to get 60%. Oh, hold on. Is this still valid, though? Yeah, it doesn't mention a date, so I think it's valid. I still have no idea what the hell this is. This is a smoothie or something? Okay, so apparently these are 5 sticks, anti-wrinkle collagen. I'm supposed to put this in a drink or something. Look, I don't know. I'm kind of bummed that I opened it because I would have preferred to give this to my mom. Maybe if I take off the sticker and put a sticker on it. I don't know. I have to figure this out because my mom loves these collagen kind of... I guess, food additive stuff. She loves that. So I really kind of want to give it to my mom instead of keeping it myself. But I will have to check out in the booklet. It says in Dutch, you get 5 sackets of the solution anti-wrinkle collagen. It's a collagen powder that is supposed to take care of your skin on the inside. Yeah, so basically you're supposed to... Hold on. The powder has a neutral taste. Yeah, so see, it's for eating. Yeah, you can put it in every kind of food or drink. If you add water, then you have to leave it until it's fully dissolved. Okay, something for eating. I think I'm going to give this to my mom just because I know she is like hooked on this stuff and she can try it out. Of course, she has mature skin. So I think this is more something for her than it is for me. I know, in my humble opinion, whenever I get these sackets, because I've used them previous for collagen, I did not like the taste, I can tell you that. I hated it. So I think I'm going to pass this along to my mom. Okay, guys, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. This one is so freaking cool. Like I said, going to pass it to my mom. Can't wait to try out this. Love this. Enjoying this. Can't wait to try it out. Really love the scrub. And this one, I have to check out whether or not it's for my skin. If not, you guys will be seeing that one in a giveaway. Okay, guys, I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section down below. What do you guys think about this very, very belated September edition of the Goodie Box. I really enjoyed it. Don't forget to enter my giveaway, and I will see you guys in my next video on the floor again. Bye!